Hey there, Josh Hopkins here, National Director of Sales for Oatey Canada. I'm here today to introduce our exciting new lineup, Masters Pro Solvent Cements. This line has been developed over the past year and a half through collaboration with nearly 100 contractors coast to coast, narrowing down our formulas, fine-tuning the recipes, and we're here today excited to show you some of the ins and outs. Starting with our Masters ABS Pro. The ABS Pro is a medium-bodied, regular setting ABS formula, has almost a fluorescent color to it, goes on yellow, dries almost clear for a clean appearance. Then we have our Masters ABS Pro X. Pro X is a faster setting medium body formula. This one's ideal for colder temperatures if you need your pipe to lock up quickly, and it has almost a yolky color to it. As I mentioned, they can be left on in a bead for easy inspection when doing piecework, or wiped clean to almost a black appearance if you want it to look nice and neat. In addition to the ABS lineup, we also have Masters PVC Pro in a clear and a gray formula, Masters Primer Pro in purple and clear, Masters CPVC Pro, and Masters Transition Pro. In addition to these solvent cements, we've also introduced HDPE reusable bottles, 500 milliliter size, and the 1 liter size with the horsehair brush. Now HDPE is very commonly used because when you make a mess like I do, solvent cement doesn't stick to it. Peels right off, keeps your bottle looking fresh and clean. If you want more information about this line of solvent cements, reach out to us at Oatey Canada, check out oatey.ca, or reach out to your local plumbing wholesaler and ask them to stock it for you.